Hi, Kay. Nice to see you.
Hello, Raju. Nice to meet you too.
How are you doing today? Okay.
I'm great. Thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good. Okay, today let's talk about English language. And I would like to know your journey of learning English language. How had you been inspired to learn English language? Okay.
Well, to be honest with you, before the pandemic, I was I wasn't interested in learning English. Probably, I think in 2021 or the first week of March, I joined it with one of the international speaking groups. In the first day, I was silent and I was feeling shy because the all of the my friends could speak very well and spontaneously, but I could very well. And even though I could respond anything, so I have got depression and I was feeling shy. So after finished meeting, I motivate myself to improve my English skill because English is an international language. If I am good at English, I can get chance and opportunity more than other people. That's why I inspired myself to learn English to enhance my English skill. So now I am learning with passion and dedication in learning English. Thank you.
Okay, I got it. Same here. And that means I have been also self-motivated to learn English language. Okay, so then now I'm going to ask you the next question. Tell me, how did you start to learn English language?
Well, after making decision, I started my learning journey in April. I think, or first and foremost, in the early morning, I listening the basic conversation topic. For example, how to introduce myself, asking direction, or the shopping at the supermarket, the video clip on YouTube or something like that. And then there's the listening to music is one of my cup of tea. That's why the if I have free time, I listening the music with the English subtitle. It is the one of the practicing English. After that, I practice the speaking only in front of the mirror, or the sometimes I made recording audio clip or the with the video, because at the time I can correct my errors or my mistake or weakness wise. That's why. And sometimes I practice with my best friend or with my local friends of the other, uh, especially you, because we were friends in 2021. That's why. And there's and then to get the reading habit, I always read a short story before go to bed. So that I should practice also the five components. So every day after reading, I always posted what I read, or for example the reading reviews or my feeling or something like that, or just 50 words every single day, because it can improve not only my writing skill but also my thinking skill too. So after practicing 1 month, I think I love learning English as a language. Yes.
Okay, so then, Kay, what kind of problems did you face at the very beginning?
Well, yes, this question is very nice. So in the beginning, I always made grammatical mistake in speaking and writing. You also know that you always corrected my grammatical errors. Uh, thanks for your kindness.
It's my
Also,
pleasure.
yes, the sometimes the I didn't how to say, I didn't have confidence to speak with other people because of my pronunciation and my accent. uh, uh, every time I'm afraid of my poor listening skill because I didn't understand what the other said. This is the second challenges. And then the last one is that I was the feeling to give up the reading and thinking skill because some of the new vocabularies and the difficult translations are the bigger challenges for me. Moreover, I don't know how to translate and how to think after reading or something. Just these all are my biggest challenges, I think. That's all.
Okay, I got it. So that means you have been learning English for more than 1 year. So from your experience, what would you say to the English learners? How they can start to learn English language?
Mm, well, I wanna compare my experience to English learner. I mean the for basic learner. So number one, be encourage yourself and don't compare your English skill to others. Number two, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just practice. Practice makes perfect. That we can learn our mistake to enhance our English skill. Number three, as you wish, you can attend English classes or online classes, or you can do self-studying. But please find a partner or community to practice together because you can improve your English skill or your weakness wise, I think.
Okay, so you told me that English learners they should find a speaking partner, but sometimes some people they don't find speaking partner. Then at the time, what they can do, how they can practice. What do you think?
I also said that so you can practice in front of the mirror, or you can make the recording video clip or the recording audios. Sometimes you can practice with your families or with your local friends, just the listening because you only practice. You only practice the what you practice or what you speak. Yes.
Yeah, you are absolutely right. So even English learners when they go for learning English language, that they are afraid of making mistake.
Yes.
I think
So
already you have told that we shouldn't be afraid of making mistake. It's a common thing to make mistake when we go for learning English language. And even people, I mean English learners, they find pronunciation so difficult. How they can improve their pronunciation?
yes.
Are you? How did you overcome this problem, or are you facing this problem still now?
Yes. I will. I wanna say yes. But if you want to improve your pronunciation skill, you can watch on YouTube. You can because you can learn varieties of the pronunciation, the lesson. So it is the in this technological era, it is a piece of cake, you all. And
Yes,
also listening skill can improve your pronunciation skill and
definitely,
your
definitely.
asset. For example, in our uh, countries, some of the children speak, for example, watermelon. That the correct is the watermelon land. Yes, like this. Sometimes some people tells the cyclophone, that is the silent is the xylophone. Like this, if you practice listening again and again, you will catch their what they speak.
Pronunciation.
Yes, I
Okay.
think.
But
Yes,
I would
of
like
course.
I would like to add one thing with you, that is actually we shouldn't focus on accent at the very beginning. It is so cool if we can follow any accent like British or American. It's so cool. But I think at the very beginning we should focus on pronunciation. We shouldn't mispronounce. I think for English learners, they have got many tips and tricks from you, especially how they can start to learn